Hello students, today's session based on the laws of exponent chapter Exponents and Power for class 7th. So let us understand the concept of laws of exponent. So what is the laws of exponent? What is the meaning of this? When we have the variables which contains exponents and having the equal basis, or we can say the two exponential notations or exponential forms, when we apply some mathematical operations to them, these operations for the exponential forms are known as the laws of exponent, or we can say properties of exponents. As we know that if we are writing b raised to the power x, that b here is known as base and x is its exponent. This b raised to the power x is known as exponential form of a number. So let us understand the properties of exponents. What are these properties? So first property is a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is a raised to the power m plus n. So we can say the bases are same and the exponents are different. So these two exponential forms are multiplied. So we get a raised to the power m plus n. In this, with same base, exponents are added, but with the same base is given and the two exponential notations are divided. So we get a raised to the power m minus n. In the division operation, we get the exponents are subtracted. When the exponents are same and bases are different, and we have to find the product of these types of exponential forms or these type of numbers where the bases are different but the exponents are same. So what we have to do? We have product of the bases, both the different bases product. We have to find it out. And the exponents is for O, the product, the exponent is same, is m. So we say a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m is equals to ab whole raised to the power m. Similarly, when we have the two numbers are divided and they have the same exponents, so each number has the same exponent as a upon b whole raised to the power m is a raised to the power m upon b raised to the power m. A raised to the power m and whole raised to the power n, when an exponential number is given and again it is multiplied n number of times, so there the exponents will be multiplied. So we can say a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m into n. When the exponents are negative, a raised to the power minus n, it is 1 upon a raised to the power n. In the negative exponent, the number which we have to write is in the reciprocal form. As we know that in the earlier session, 10 raised to the power 0 is 1. So generalize, we can say a raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. So these are the properties of exponents. So let us understand how we can use the exponent. For finding 2 raised to the power 6, what we can write here? Yes, we can write 2. How many times it is multiplied? 6 times. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. So we can say 2 raised to the power 6 is equals to 64. Similarly, if we have given 9 raised to the power 3 here, so what's the meaning? Yes, 9 multiplied 3 times gives 729. So we can write 9 raised to the power 3 is 729. Similarly, when the number is given and if we are asked to write the exponential form, So how we have to write the exponential form of any number? It's very simple, by finding the prime factorization. So here 512, by using the prime factorization, we write 512 as it is divisible by 2. So how many times? 256 times. Again this unit place is 6, so here we again divide it by 2. So 256 divided by 2, how many times? 128. The unit place of this 128 is 8. It is divisible by 2. So this number divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12 and 2 4 are 64. Again it is divisible by 2. Is 32. 32 again divisible by 2 gives 16. 16 divisible by 2 gives 8. 8 divided by 2 gives 4. And 4 divided by 2 gives 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So in this prime factorization, we get how many times 2 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we write prime factors of 512. 2 into 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 2 is 9 times. So we can write the exponential form of 512 is 2 raised to the power 9, or we can say the exponential notation of the given number 512 is 2 raised to the power 9. Similarly, if we ask to find the 540, what is the exponential form of this? Again we have to find out the prime factorization of 540. So 540 divided by 2 gives 270. 270 divisible by 2 gives 135. 135 divisible by 2 gives 45. 45 divided by 3 we get 15, and 15 divided by 3 gives 5, and 5 divided by 5 one time. So we can write prime factors of 540, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. So how many times 2 are appearing here? 2 times. 3 appears 3 times and 5 appears 1 time. So we can say 540 is nothing but 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 3 into 5. So in this way, simply we can write the exponential form of any number using the prime factorization, or by using the prime factors and writing the number in its prime factors and calculate the prime numbers how many times it appears. So it's given the exponential form of any number.